And it is the most common reason people use trust now is for asset protection purposes, especially if you have a trust that's got a personal trustee. So they want to know that the assets that the family group have are held separately from their personal names. The most common reason people want that is they're business owners, so they have some level of personal liability, or there's a higher potential for them to be involved in some kind of potential litigation. So it's really removing their assets from their personal name. So for trusts in Australia, there's two types of trusts. There's trusts where there's a personal trustee and trusts where there's a corporate trustee. Why don't you break that down?
Yeah, no worries. So look at the so the personal having a personal individual trustee is by far the cheapest option to set up a trust, because generally you can act in your own capacity as the individual trustee of your trust. Now, unfortunately, that provides very little asset protection, because in the sense that if you are putting assets in a trust for protection purposes and you're the trustee as well, then there's not much of a corporate veil that's going to protect you in an instance where you're you're subject to litigation. So the corporate trustee will be having a company acting as in that capacity. You may be the shareholder and the director of that company, but it provides a bit of a corporate wall between your personal liabilities and that of the trust assets. So that's generally the reason why you'd have a corporate trustee.
And it is the most common reason people use trust now is for asset protection purposes, especially if you have a trust that's got a personal trustee.